Hey YouTube, gonna go do something a little different, do older song, Elvis Costello, Red Shoes, his earlier ones. This is arrangement of it, I don't know if, and I'm just teaching the rhythm guitar here. People are interested, maybe I could do a lesson on the riffs. There's some kind of famous riffs in the intro and through the song. But we're just gonna do it so you can sing it and play it. Start. I would say there's 4 main chords in this, but mostly 3. E being one of them, A, B. Those are the main chords. If you have trouble with the B, just slide your A up. Play the B like an A. Play it on the 4th fret. So E. I used to be disgusted. Goes the B. Trying to be amused since my wings got rusted. And just wanna wear my red shoes. That's the first part. The first chunk we're gonna learn. So again, it starts on E, goes to B, resets back on E, and then it concludes with A, B, E. So E, B, E, A, B, E. All right, and then the next part starts. We can walk it up. We can do open, 2, 4, and then right into the A chord. That's optional. The walk up is optional. You can just skip it if you want. They told me about my side of the bargain. A to E is when I knew that I could not refuse. And I won't get any older now that angels want to wear my red shoes. That's like the refrain, I think. Kind of like the short chorus. Okay, and remember, one of the reasons I said we walk up to A, so you can remember it starts on A. When they told me about my side of the bargain, E. So when I knew that I could not refuse. And I won't get any older now that angels want to wear my red shoes. Alright, so A to E, A, E, then B, A, B, E. We walk up to A. We do this A to E twice. And then the conclusion is B, A, B, E. Alright, almost the halfway of the song. Then, it's kind of unusual. The song has like an early bridge. So, the bridge is the part where he sings, I watch you dance the night away. I got scratcher in the echo and sway. Come everybody wants to be your friend. It still hurts me just to say. Alright, that's the bridge. So it begins on A, B, E. Then it goes to B. I got pictured in the echo and sway. And it goes B, so that was B, A, E. And it goes back to like the first time. A. And then the fourth part of the bridge is, you know it still hurts me just to say. So this is where we get this G sharp minor. But if you can't play that as a bar chord, just play it as a power chord. You know what? Because really it's only the bass note that is important there. You know it still hurts me just to say. So play a G sharp minor, or you can play a G sharp power chord. The 4th fret on the 6th string, and the 6th fret on the A string. There's also an option for the B chord. I remember I told you to play the B chord like an A shape. You can also play it like a power chord. You could probably play this whole song in power chords. Tune though. So I'm going to end this here, but if people want more on the licks and the riffs, or if they want a simple arrangement like in G, C, D, that would be relatively easy to do. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.